Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So now I am to discuss examples of trigonometrical ratios of standard angles. Okay, so I hope you are practicing, and you should practice it because after a few days that your exam, so that's why you have to practice it, and other chapter also you have to practice it. Okay, so now let's start everyone. Today we will start from exercise 9, example 9, example 9. Okay, now let's start everyone. So see, first question is telling here, if a equal to 30 degree, prove sin 2a equal to 2 sin a, 2 sin a cos a equal to 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. Okay, a very important question. Only given, what is the given data? See, a equal 30 degree given. Prove that sin 2a equal to 2 sin a cos a. At first we have to prove this one. After that we have to prove it 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. That also we have to prove it. Okay, clear? Okay, so see, first LHS given what, sir? LHS given, sir, sin 2a. Clear? Sin 2a. This one given. Okay, a already given. A equal to what, sir? A equal to 30 degree. Just put it. That means we are getting sin 2 into 30 degree. 2 into 30 means what, sir? Sin 60 degree. Okay, and sin 60 degree means what, sir? Root 3 by 2, no? Okay, so that means sin 2a equal to, we are getting what, sir? Sin 2a equal to, we are getting root 3 by 2. Clear? Clear or not? Understood? Next, now we have to prove it 2 sin a cos a. Okay, just find out that value of RHS. RHS what, sir? RHS equal to given 2 sin a cos a. 2 sin a cos a. Put the values of a. Okay, sin a means what, sir? 30 degree into cos 30 degree. Okay, so sin 30 degree, sir, what, sir? Sin 30 degree 1 by 2 into cos 30 degree, sir, what? Root 3 by 2. Okay, now see, these two and these two will be cancelled because this is numerator and this is denominator. We can cancel it. So now we are getting what, sir? Root 3 into 1. Root 3 into 1 means root 3, and denominator 2, root 3 by 2. So that means LHS also we are getting root 3 by 2, RHS also we are getting root 3 by 2. Clear or not? That means we can say LHS equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS. Clear or not? Clear? So that means we can say sin 2a equal to 2 sin a cos a. Understood? Clear? Next, another part also left here. Another part means 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square. That one also we have to prove it. Okay, just I am finding that value 2 tan a by, that also RHS, no? Just I am finding the value 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. Okay, just put the values of a. So 2 tan square 30 degree by, here square is not there, by 1 plus tan square a. So 1 plus tan square 30 degree. Clear? This one given in the question. Just we are writing value of, means putting the value of a. Okay, after that calculation, do the calculation. So 2 tan 30 degree means what, sir? Tan 30 degree means 1 by root 3. Okay, plus tan square 30 degree means 1 by root 3 whole square. Clear? Clear or not? Clear? Next, so 2 into 1 by root 3 means what, sir? 2 by root 3, now 2 by root 3. Okay, and here we are getting denominator, we are getting 1 plus 1 by root 3 whole square means 1 by 3. Clear? Clear or not? Next, so that means we are getting 2 by root 3. Okay, So 1 plus 1 by 3 means what, sir? 4 by 3, no? 4 by 3. Okay, that means we are getting 2 by root 3 into 3 by 4. Clear? Understood? Okay, next we can cancel it, sir. 2 to the 4, and see here 3 denominator root 3. 3 means 2 root 3, no? Root 3 into root 3. 3 means root 3 root 3 into root 3. So we can cancel it. So that means we will get 1 root 3. If we cancel 3 and root 3, we will get 1 root 3, because 3 means root 3 into root 3. Okay, so 1 root 3 will be cancelled. That means we are getting in numerator root 3 and denominator 2. Okay, so root 3 by 2. Clear? Clear or not? So this value we are getting root 3 by 2. So that means we can say therefore sin 2a equal to 2 sin a cos a equal to 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. Clear? Here proved. Understood? I hope clear everyone. Okay, next see. Next 9 complete. Next question number 10. Question number 10 is telling here, example 10, a equal to 60 degree given and b equal to 30 degree given. So sin a plus b by cos a cos b, okay, cos a cos b equal to tan a plus tan b. That is the question. Okay, question clear? What is the given data, sir? What is the given data? A equal to given 60 degree and b equal to given 30 degree. Okay, so that sin of a plus b by cos a into cos b equal to tan a plus tan b. Okay, we can prove it. Just see I am doing here. At first I am writing sin of a plus b, no? Sin of a plus b by cos a cos b. Just a minute. Yeah, sin a plus b by cos a cos b equal to tan a plus tan b equal to tan a plus tan b equal to tan a plus tan b. What is the given data, sir? A equal to 60 degree given and b equal to 30 degree given. Okay, clear? So what to do, sir, here? Oh, so that, yes, that means we have to prove it. Okay, so this one, sir, LHS. Put the value of in LHS. LHS equal to, we are getting, sir, a sin of a plus b by cos a into cos b. Okay, so put the values of a and b. So if we put it, so what do you get, sir? 60 degree plus 30 degree. Clear? And denominator will get cos a into cos b, means cos 60 degree into cos 30 degree. Understood or not this one? Up to this one clear? Next, so we'll get what, sir? Sin 90 degree. Okay, 60 plus 30, 90 degree. And here denominator we are getting, sir, cos 60 degree into cos 30 degree. Okay, clear? So now we will get what, sir? Sin 90 degree, sir, 1, cos 60 degree, what, sir? Cos 60 degree 1 by 2 into cos 30 degree root 3 by 2. Okay, clear? After this one clear? Okay, so that means numerator we are getting 1 only and denominator root 3 into root 3, root 3 into 1 here root 3 and 2 to the 4. Clear? So 4 will come in numerator now, so that means 4 by root 3 we are getting. Clear? 4 by root 3 we are getting. So this is value of LHS. Similarly, we have to find out the value of RHS. RHS equal to what? RHS equal to given here tan a plus tan b. Okay, tan a plus tan b. Just find out the value of tan a plus tan b. Just put the value of a and b. So if we put that a value a means tan 60 degree plus tan b means tan 30 degree. Okay, next, so tan 60 degree means what, sir? Tan 60 degree root 3 plus tan 30 degree 1 by root 3. Clear or not? Understood? Just do the calculation little bit here, simplification. So LCM will be sir root 3 and numerator will get what? Root 3 into root 3, 3. 3 plus 1. So 3 plus 1 means what? 4 by root 3. Clear? So now see, in LHS we are getting 4 by root 3. Similarly, in RHS also we are getting 4 by root 3. Clear? So that means LHS and RHS equal. That means LHS and RHS equal. Clear or not? Equal. So we can say that LHS equal to RHS. Clear or not? Clear? And in bracket we have to write it root. Understood? Clear? Clear or not? Clear? Okay. So next question, see. Next question. Example 11. Example 11 given here. If 4 sin square a minus 3 equal to 0. If 4 sin square a minus 3 equal to 0, the value of, find the value of angle A and that the value of cos A. Two things we have to find out. Okay? Clear? 4 sin square a minus 3 equal to 0. So the value, then find out the value of angle A. Okay, we can do it. Yes sir, we can do it. Easily we can do it. Just see, just little bit erasing. After that I am doing. And easy problems are there. You can try also, you can practice also. That is the main thing. Okay, just put the values and then simplification. That is the main reason. Okay, clear? So if 4 sin square a minus 3 equal to 0 given, write it. 4 sin square a minus 3 equal to 0. This one given, no? 4 sin square a minus 3 equal to 0. Then find the value of angle A. Okay, this is the question. We find out sir. We find out sir A. Okay. So that means we can write sir what? 4 sin square a equal to 3. We can write or not sir? We can write it. Okay, we can write it. Understood? Next what sir? Next, similarly we can write it. Sin square a equal to what sir? 3 by 4. Sin square a equal to 3 by 4. Clear? Or sin a equal to root 3 by 4. Sin a equal to root 3 by 4. Clear or not? Because square was there in left hand side and we are removing the square, so that means that one will become what? Square root. So that means square root of what? 3 by 4. Clear? Okay, so that means what sir? Root 3 by 4 means we are getting what sir? Root 3 by 2 only, because root 4 means what? 2 only. So that means root 3 by 2 we are getting. So ultimately we are getting what sir? Sin a equal to root 3 by 2. Okay, clear? So that means what's the sin 60 degree. Clear? Clear or not? Clear? So that means we can get it. That means we can get it what? Sin a equal to sin 60 degree. So just remove the a sin we can remove it. So that means we will get what sir? A equal to 60 degree. Clear or not? Clear? Understood? A equal to 60 degree. Clear? Okay. So up to this one clear. Next we find out sir what? Next we find out cos A, I think. Yes, I think cos A. Okay, easy. So how we find out sir cos A? See, cos A, just put the value of A. Cos A means what sir? 60 degree, no? Okay, cos 60 degree means what sir? Cos 60 degree means 1 by 2 only. Clear? Sin 60 degree root 3 by 2 and cos 60 degree 1 by 2. Okay, so this is the answer. Clear? Clear or not? Understood? Okay, next what sir? Next example 12. Example 12 is telling if sin square 2x plus sin square 60 degree, sin square 2x plus sin square 60 degree equal to sin 90 degree, find the value of x. Okay, good question. Okay, So sin square 2x plus sin square 60 degree equal to sin 90 degree equal to so then find the value of x. We can find out or not, sir? Yes, we can do it. So how to do, sir, this one? Just see. Sin square 2x. Okay, so I'm writing here sin square 2x equal to sin square 2x equal to sin square 2x plus sin square 60 degree equal to sin 90 degree. Okay, sin square 2x plus sin square 60 degree equal to sin 90 degree. This is the question, no? Sin square 2x plus sin square 60 degree equal to sin 90 degree. Sin square 60 degree equal to sin 90 degree. That is the question. Okay, you have to at first just check the question that is okay, correct or not. Okay, otherwise that your answer will be wrong. Sin square 2x plus sin square 60 degree equal to sin 90 degree. Okay, okay, so then what to do, sir? Here we find out the value of x. No, we find out the value of x. Okay, it's okay, no problem that one. At first write it sin square 2x plus sin square 60 degree means what, sir? Sin 60 degree means root 3 by 2, so whole square will come. Okay, sin 90 degree means what, sir? 1. Sin 90 degree 1 only. Clear? Understood? Next, so that means we are getting sin square 2x plus 3 by 4 equal to 1. Clear? So that means sin square 2x equal to 1 minus 3 by 4. Understood or not? Understood? So 1 minus 3 by 4 means what, sir? 1 by 4. So this is what? This is value of sin square 2x. Sin square 2x equal to, we are getting 1 by 4. Okay, so that means sin 2x equal to, we are getting what, sir? Sin 2x equal to, we are getting what? Root over 1 by 4. Clear or not? Because square was there in left hand side. If we bring it right hand side, that will be what? Square root. Clear? So 1 by 4 what? Root is there. That means we are getting 1 by 2. Clear? Clear or not? Clear? So that means we are getting sin 2x equal to 1 by 2. And this 1 by 2 what? Whose value of sin? Sin 30 degree, no? Sin 30 degree equal to 1 by 2. Clear or not? Understood? Clear? So that means remove the sign, both sides sign remove it. So that means we are getting 2x equal to 30 degree. Okay, so 2x equal to 30 degree means what, sir? 2x equal to 30 degree means what? X equal to 15 degree. Clear or not? Clear? X equal to 15 degree. I hope clear? Clear everyone? Okay, so next see question number okay, hence the value here got it, here the value what, sir? Value getting that 30 degree. Just a minute, I'm checking once. Just a minute, wait. Yeah, sin 60 degree root 3 by 2. It's okay, no problem. 1 minus 3 by 4, 1 minus 4 minus 3, 1 by 4. Yeah, it's okay only. It's okay. That is printing mistake. Okay, that one will be what, sir? One here, see here written 1 minus 3 by 4, 3 by 4. No, 1 minus 3 by 4, 1 by 4. No, 1 by 4 only. But here written 3 by 4. That is mistake. Okay, so don't see the answer from that example. Okay, you have to practice it, you have to try it. Clear? And you will get the original answer only. Because sometimes that question was wrong in the question book also, example as well as that exercise that side also. Okay, next see, next example 13. Example 13 written here, sin a plus b, given sin a plus b equal to cos a minus b equal to root 3 by 2. So solve for a and b. Very important question. Okay, this type of question will come in your exam also. Sin of a plus b equal to cos of a minus b equal to root 3 by 2. So solve for a and b. Okay, we find out the value of a and b. Okay, so what is the given data? At first we have to write it. Sin of a plus b equal to cos of a minus b. I'm just little erasing. So at first you have to write it, the value, the given data, whatever is given, that one you have to write it. Okay, just see here, given sine of a plus b equal to cos of a minus b equal to given what sir, root 3 by 2. I think just checking that one is correct or not. Sine of a plus b equal to cos of a minus b equal to root 3 by 2. Yes, we find out the value of a and b. Okay, we have to find out what sir, a and b, value of a and b. Okay, so at first see the what is the given data. At first check it. See here, given sine of a plus b equal to cos of a minus b equal to root 3 by 2. So from here we can understand one important thing, that sine of a plus b equal to what sir, equal to root 3 by 2. We can say or not sir? We can say it. Similarly cos of a minus b equal to root 3 by 2. We can say it because two values are equal, so that's why we are writing here. Okay, now see this root 3 by 2, whose value of sine, that one sine 60 degree. Now sine 60 degree equal to root 3 by 2. So that means we are getting, see, sine of a plus b equal to sine 60 degree. Clear? So that means what, we can write a plus b equal to 60 degree. Up to this are clear? Up to this one clear or not sir? Clear? I hope clear. Next, similarly this side also, cos of a minus b equal to root 3 by 2. So whose value of cos, that root 3 by 2, whose value, cos 30 degree, cos 30 degree. Clear? Clear or not? Understood? So that means we can say that directly. So a minus b equal to 30 degree. Clear? Up to this one clear? So a plus b equal to, we are getting 60 degree. Similarly a minus b equal to, we are getting 30 degree. Up to this one clear? So from here we have to find out the value of a and b. Okay, so by any process we can do it. So simultaneous also we can do it, otherwise cancellation, any process we can follow it. The substitution method, cross multiplication method, any method, we know that one. Okay, so at first we have to write it here, a minus b in down, a minus b equal to 30 degree. Okay, just do addition here. So plus b minus b, we can cancel it. So we are getting what's at 2a, a plus a 2a. Similarly this side also we can do it addition. So 60 plus 30 what, 90 degree. Clear? So a equal to what sir, 45 degree. A equal to, we are getting here sir, 45 degree. Clear? Okay, now we find out sir b. So our condition was there, what, a plus b equal to 60 degree. No, a equal to 45 degree, a equal to 45 degree plus b equal to 60 degree. So from here we find out the value of b, that means 60 degree minus 45 degree. 60 minus 45 what sir, 15 degree. Clear? So that is the value of b. Clear? Understood? Clear everyone? Okay, so that is the value of a and b. Clear? Up to this one clear? Okay, next what sir? So example 13 finished. Okay, next question is given here. Study the figure and find the length of y. Actually here that figure is not clear, so that's why it's okay, no problem. The next day we'll discuss that another problem. Okay, next problem we'll discuss it. Okay, clear? So up to this one today. So I hope clear everyone. So you have to practice it. That is this is your homework. What is your homework sir? Your homework is what? All examples you have to practice it. All examples you have to practice it. Okay, all examples you have to practice. Okay, practice and submit. Clear? Understood? Okay, so you have to practice and submit it. Okay, so that's all everyone. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. Have a nice day.